The hustle, the buzz, the roar. Can you hear it? It's happening fast. We're experiencing an acceleration of urbanization. The world's cities are growing at a rate of 2 people per second. If projections hold, in another 30 years, the world could have 10 billion people, with nearly 7 billion in cities. The problem? Making all of these rapidly growing urban areas livable and sustainable. But imagine if we had a clean slate and could build our cities of the future from the ground up. What if we could start over? The race is on to create greater sustainability and energy intelligence throughout the world. Mounting climate change concerns demand it. While the road is fraught with obstacles, certain cities may have an advantage over others.
Brand new cities tend to have a very clear master plan. A new city built today, of course, you can put low carbon technology in right up the front. Trying to retrofit an existing city today is difficult.
Yes, brand new cities stand to have the biggest edge. In the last 2 decades, more than 100 new cities have been built from the ground up in Africa and Asia, with more still under construction. These fledgling cities offer an amazing opportunity. The chance to start from square one and prioritize energy efficiency and a net zero carbon footprint. A key component to creating the greener cities of tomorrow is the so-called Internet of Things, a complex network of devices and systems that essentially acts as a city's brain. By embracing this digitalization and adopting tools like Siemens City Performance Tool, these smart cities can track key data and system information. This allows for the dynamic control over the flow of energy throughout a city. And as these cities grow exponentially brainier, the relationship between the people supplying the energy and the people using it is no longer a passive one. More and more often, it's becoming a collaboration.
We used to build energy systems that would deliver energy to people's homes and to businesses. Now we're in a world where we're turning our homes and businesses into mini power stations. We are becoming prosumers and pushing energy back into the grid. Our ability at the grid edge to be able to understand who's consuming energy at any time of the day is going to be critical.
Renewable power sources, charging stations for electric buses and cars, state-of-the-art control centers at universities and businesses. These are the tools that new cities can add at the ground level to push towards energy transformation. And while implementing these tools at a foundational level would be undoubtedly more beneficial, the hope is not entirely lost for older cities to also embrace this technology.
We have an unprecedented set of challenges facing our cities today, but this has also afforded us some fantastic opportunities. If you can just make small improvements to our existing infrastructure, you can buy time for the longer term investments that are needed in order to deal with big threats like rapid urbanization, climate change, even the impacts of globalization.
With all that's going on in the world today, there's a lot of uncertainty mixed in with the optimism. But climate change advocates hope that the COVID-19 crisis may create an opportunity as governments look for ways to jumpstart the economy. Investing in greener, smarter cities is a way to do just that.
We can always do more to improve the quality of life in all cities, invest more in infrastructure to ensure that we're not forcing future generations to fix past generations' mistakes.
Whatever the catalyst, quick and clear progress is essential. The time has come to strive for cities that are perfectly efficient, brilliantly connected, and absolutely winning.